Welcome to the studio unit of Astoria, Palawan. If you signed up for a studio membership with AVLCI, Astoria Vacation and Leisure Club Incorporated, then this is your happy place. 30 square meters in size, each room can accommodate 2 adults, which makes this a perfect place for newlyweds who are just starting out.
Each unit has 2 queen-size beds. Sleep or lounge around, the choice is yours. It also comes with a vanity with a hair dryer, closet, and luggage rack. While getting ready, you can keep yourself entertained with a flat-screen TV equipped with cable channels. Of course, it has its very own toilet and bath too, complete with a modern shower and the basic toiletries.
This whole new room is waiting to be your second home. Here in Astoria's eco-friendly resort in Puerto Princesa. You want to know more about this and AVLCI? Message us.